Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day 14 of Baby Gets Scraps. Today my prompt is a circle color, and it is also a new series that I participated in last week, and it is a shape series. And this week the shape is a chevron. So I've got to try to incorporate circles and chevrons, right? So I figured I'm going to use my circle cutter. I know. And would have been easier to use a punch, but it's a circle cutter. I'm going to cut out circles and I'm going to cut them in half. And we're going to see how that goes, right? So I'm going to cut 2-inch circles. I'm going to cut them in half. And then we're going to do a chevron out of the spheres. Wish me luck. I'm going to be doing these 3 photos. I found these when I was cleaning my scrap room. Becca, please stop. What a crazy little puppy dog. Anyway, when I was cleaning my scrap room, I found a whole bunch of Okay, so the neighbors were in their yard, and Bee's like, how dare they be in their own things? Anyway, when I cleaned my craft room a few months ago, well, like deep cleans, like organized, not just normal cleaning, I found a container of older photos. So like, there's me, baby. These are 2 of my dad's sisters. This is DC and Donna. That's DC, his other sister, Debbie. And then that's my dad's mom. So this was at another baby shower shortly after Monkey here was born, I think probably 3 or 4 months, and they were all playing with him. So we're going to go ahead and scrap these. I'm going to use my double shot, one of my double shots. I'm pretty sure this is double shot. Is this not? No, I think this is Flavors of the Month. Nope, this is the double shot from November. So, Baby Got Scraps. We can only pull in 1. I think we'll go this one, because I kind of want to do the big photo. We can trim this one down. We'll have a big photo here. Do the little photo kind of underneath there. And trim this one down. We'll get that on there somehow after I get them trimmed down a little bit. I'm actually probably just going to cut DC out of that and just do Sam's face. So then we can have one will be like here. Then we'll have little Monkey sitting like there, so you'll have just a little bit, and then we'll have this one down here. So it'll actually work out a lot better. Sorry, Andes. All right, and then we're going to do the chevron round. Our stack of pattern of paper pads. So I'm going to find stuff that matches this. We are slowly and surely whittling this down, which is kind of fun. So I'm not going to lie, if I can't find enough of these fall colors in here, I will probably switch this up and use the yellow one, and then find the ones that have white on the back of them and just make a white chevron half circle looking dealio. Well, let me get started on that, because that is going to take quite a bit of time, and I will be back shortly. All right, let's go ahead and finish this. So that is my chevron print out of a circle cutter. I do have my photos on. We are going, and what I used was this old Stampin' Up! All a Bloom designer pack, so I'm working my way through this one as well. All right, so I think we're just gonna do all like autumn sweater weather. We're gonna put it all right here. one big tassel. Okay, so we use that up. We've got that on there filling that spot. And pull in. I think we should go. And I've just lightly tacked that on because I really didn't know where I was going to end with my chevron there. So we're just going to get these little guys stuck in there. So I will come later and get them put down way better so that they do stick. So we've got 2 of those on there, kind of starting to create the base that we are looking for. I'm going to put that one there. Let's go with the brown. Added kind of like so. Okay. And then kind of with a little birdie. A little birdie stuck right here. Alright, and then we have a few of these little things. Let's pull these out and see what we have going on. And then obviously I have a plethora of stuff in my little crazy bins that I can pull from if needed. Okay, that's all I have left. So, right there would pretty much cover that all up. So what if we did that? Kind of came in with the little foxy poo. I think we'll come in with the little fox there. Let's do the little mushroom guys here. I don't think that's going to work. Let's see if I can get Foxy Loxy here back up. Get the tucked right underneath there, and since these are thin stickers, I don't want to rip them. Okay. Get that stuck there. Nice little cluster going on there. To me, that makes sense because it was a baby shower. Nope. And so let me see. I'm going to go start pulling some other things, and I'll be right back. All right, so I did get this stuck on there. I've got the little moth there and there, and then I went through all of that stuff. So I'm going to use up those. They are closely matched to that gray, so we're going to get those on there. Got these freckled fawn little puppy hearts, but let's see if there's anything in here that I can use. So I'm not thinking that I'm going to be able to, but one never does know. So that would have been cute kind of in there. But not going to try to pull that back up. I was ripping the little foxy just to get the, so that's a big no. Hey man, I seen a card. I'm going to stick that over there. Yeah, I put it in with the, my hip kit. My hip kit. My how to kill a kit. Because, it's, all about Vegas. So let's see. They have a story to tell on that little pink. Let's just kind of get that right up there. Okay, that's kind of fun. Then we have that. I'm going to just throw that away. Because there's 2 of them left. And then you just pop right in there. And I'm just put that little capture right there. And then we get the arrow, and then that's all used. Stick that there. That makes me happy. This says, just straight thank you. Got this at She Loves Color. Alright. One of those cute little guys on there. Okay. Because he's cute. And he's like, thank you. Alright. I have one little pumpkin left in here. And these are wood veneers from Spielmann Scraps. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and shoot some glue there. Right? This stuff start tacked on over here. Because it is like seriously just lightly tacked so that I can, maneuver as needed. Alright, that's there. I thought I would be able to pull in this right here. Okay. Just even if I get one piece out of that, I'm happy. This little bin here was just stuff that has been kept in around for a while. And I saw around stupidly again, but this is where we're at, people, and we just have to embrace it. I didn't even know those were there. Pretty sad. Alright. Let's see. Probably could have used this earlier, so remember that's there. Alright, let's see if we can get any of these puffies on. I had to cut it off earlier. My husband was not feeling good, and he walked through the living room, and I don't know what he was saying, but I don't think it was nice. And it wasn't mean towards me or anything. It's just, I don't need all that on this. Okay. Some of those on there. I feel like I just need to pull one more in. I know, but it's like, because then I use all the solids. But let's just go for it. Let's go for gusto. Whoa. There. And that was right there. Why am I leaving it? I don't know. Alright. That's my problem. I'm always like, oh, I can't use it up because then I won't. Nah, use your stuff. Totally got to break the cycle. Going away. More stuff done with. All right, so we've got 3 medium. And 1 teeny one, so that's done. So let's get a large in here. All right. And then we get the medium. Let's get the little teeny guy, large guy. You can't really tell, can you? Teeny guy, large guy. All right. I mean, you can kind of tell, but I can. All right, you guys. So I think in my mind, I have nailed this layout. I used the circle cutter. I've got a somewhat of it's a chevron. It's a circle, half circle chevron. And I used my circle cutter. So I'm going to call this a win all the way around. And I used more of that paper from the mini pads that I am so desperately trying to get rid of and just use up and feel good about it. So that is going to do it. This is what I have left for this. I have 1 12 by 12 sheet of pattern paper and 2 pieces of cardstock, a few scraps, a few die cuts, and just a few stickers. So making the most out of these age kits. I would have used them up by now had I not been forced to do, scraps. Not that I was forced, I'm just saying. So that's the difference there. That's why they're taking me so long. But anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Don't forget to check out everyone else that's playing along with Get in Shape, the newest hop around the bend, and Baby Got Scraps. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Bye.